Hello everyone and welcome to Anthem's YouTube channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of mainline plumbing clogs. Have you ever experienced the nightmare of a gushing pipe that's turning your dreamy bubble bath into a swamp? Or perhaps your dishwasher is doing its best impression of Niagara Falls, in reverse. It's frustrating, right? Well, fear not, because today we're going to equip you with the knowledge you need to identify, prevent, and handle these troublesome mainline plumbing clogs. Mainline plumbing clogs can be a homeowner's worst nightmare. They disrupt your home's normal flow, just like a traffic jam on a busy highway. The main sewer line connects all your home's plumbing to the city sewer system or septic tank. When it gets blocked, things get messy fast. Tree roots seeking moisture and nutrients are the primary culprits. Over time, they infiltrate even tiny cracks in the pipe, causing blockages. Human actions also contribute, like flushing items down toilets that aren't meant for them. So how do you know if you have a mainline plumbing clog? Several telltale signs can help you identify the issue. If you notice water backing up out of drains around the house, especially in lower levels or basements when you flush toilets or use sinks, it's likely a mainline clog. You might also hear gurgling sounds coming from your drains or toilets. And the toilet test is a simple way to confirm your suspicions. Flush all toilets in your home simultaneously. If one overflows or drains slowly while others operate normally, there's likely an obstruction downstream. But when it comes to dealing with mainline clogs, it often needs professional help due to their complexity. Think of it like surgery compared to applying a bandage. If your DIY attempts don't yield results, it's time to call in the professionals. Now let's talk about the impact of mainline plumbing clogs. Imagine waking up to a flooded basement or sewage backup in your home. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a threat to your property and health. Mainline clogs can cause significant water damage that's costly to repair and even decrease the value of your home. Prolonged exposure to standing water from backups can lead to mold growth, a health hazard for anyone with allergies or respiratory problems. Plus, untreated clogs can result in raw sewage backing up into your home, an unsanitary mess no one wants. So acting fast is crucial because delaying won't make things better, but worse. Now let's talk about preventive measures. You can prevent mainline clogs by being mindful of what goes down your drains. Never pour fats or oils into your sink as they solidify in pipes and lead to blockages. Movable items like wipes or sanitary products, even if labeled flushable, as they're notorious for causing clogs. Regular drain cleaning is key. You can use simple DIY methods like vinegar and baking soda for minor buildups. However, professional drain cleaning services offer more thorough results and are worth the investment. And don't forget to maintain your sewer lines. Get them checked by professionals regularly to prevent major blockages. Remember, proactive prevention is the key to avoiding mainline clogs. If your DIY efforts don't do the trick, it's time to call in professionals. But who should you turn to? There are experts like certified plumbers and specialized drain cleaning companies. Professional drain cleaners use techniques such as hydrojetting and video inspections. Hydrojetting uses high-pressure water jets to break up stubborn blockages, while video inspection locates the problem area. You might be wondering about the cost. On average, hiring a pro can set you back between $100 and $200, but remember, it's about safeguarding your home. In deciding whether you need professional help, consider factors like the severity of the clog and potential damage if things go wrong. When in doubt, opt for expert intervention, because mainline plumbing issues aren't something anyone wants hanging over their head. If you're up for a challenge, there are DIY methods you can try to tackle mainline plumbing clogs on your own. A plunger isn't just for toilets, it can be effective for minor clogs. The drain snake method works for stubborn clogs. Or you can also use eco-friendly options like a vinegar and baking soda mixture. Remember, these DIY solutions are great for minor issues, but don't hesitate to call in professionals if things get tough or problems persist. So, when you're facing a mainline plumbing clog, you have two options: calling in the pros or trying the DIY route. Professional services bring expertise and specialized equipment to the table. They can tackle even stubborn clogs without causing further damage. DIY methods can save you money up front but require effort on your part, and may not work on complex issues. Both approaches have their merits depending on the situation at hand. It's like choosing between ordering pizza or making one from scratch based on how hungry you are. In conclusion, remember that prevention always beats cure. We've shared ways to keep these pesky problems at bay, saving you from future headaches. And if they strike, despite your best efforts, professional solutions and DIY techniques are there for rescue. If you have any questions or need our expert assistance, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help.